Hello everyone, I am Subhrajit Asst, Assistant Professor in Narsimha Engineering College. Today, in this video, I'm going to discuss about some program, C program, in available in the abhyasa platform. In college website, there is the link is there to get into the abhyasa, and there are Python programming lab, C programming lab, uh, all the lab experiments practicals are available. So today I will solve those questions in this video. Actually, those programs we have already solved in the turbo C, but this platform is different. This is very good platform. Actually, whenever you will go for the interview, software industries, so they will not ask to write the program in the turbo C. They will give their own platform, and those company, those software industry platform, it is similar to this abhyasa platform. And in the internet also similar to this abhyasa platform, other platforms are there. You can, where you can write the program code, you can take the challenge, you can win some prize, like hacker rank is there, lead code is there, code chef is there. So though our college also try to make this platform, this program practice in that such manner. So definitely in the future it will be give much more help when you will go for the appearing of any interview, in any software interview, right? So here, first you have to go to the website, or college website, and then there is the link abhyasa is there. You have to click and it will ask for the login. You have to log in through the domain mail id, college domain mail id credentials. Then only this page will be open, right? Internet connection very fast is required for proper execution of the program, fast execution of the program, right? And this is the several lab experiments, the abhyasa team has been uploaded here. So today I will go for the C lab experiments. Once you load several topics, several chapter wise, it will be displayed: practice session, simple numeric expression, evaluation, array, pointer, string, miscellaneous, like this several chapters wise it will be displayed. I will go for the simple numeric practice sessions. Actually every big program is there. Program is too easy, arithmetic operators, logical operators, but it is a lengthy, so it will take more time, and you know very well how to execute this program, not required here. I will start from this simple numeric problem. Once you click here lab experiment option will come. You have to click here lab experiment option, then the question will be displayed here, right? First question is simple, and sorry, it is not first questions, okay. First question is max and mean of three numbers. Already I have solved the questions, but till one more time I have to write here and execute here how I'm writing in the abhyasa platform. A little bit difference in turbo C, how we are writing, and here the writing procedure is a little bit different, but exactly not same as like turbo C. Okay, so let me execute max and mean of three number. That means I have to read any three numbers. Okay, any three numbers I have to read. 1 minute. So any three numbers I have to read. Suppose number is 10, one more is 20, another is 5. Then I have to find which one is the maximum number. So maximum in the current example is 20, and minimum is currently 5. This should be my output, right? This should be my output here. So three number compulsory I have to read. So this program I can solve in two ways, by using conditional control statement. Conditional control statement, that means if, else, if, or ladder if concept I have to use here. Or second one is what? Conditional operator. Conditional operator means where you using like this: a greater than b, question mark, a colon b, like this some two symbols we are using for the conditional operator. Here three operand, here is one operand, here another operand, and here another operand. So this about this conditional operator in our regular classes we have already discussed with proper example, and same example also we have solved by using turbo C. But today I will solve by using the abhyasa platform. But before that, let me execute this program in the turbo C once again, so that you can differentiate easily what is the difference in writing the program in turbo C and abhyasa platform, right? Suppose here three number na? So three number means okay, let me first show you the question in the abhyasa platform. Okay, then I will write here. Observe here, what is the question means. One minute. Here click on the attempt questions. See, like this question will come, right? Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Sir, write a program to find the max and min from the three numbers. Actually, these people's the team has been the Abhyasa team has been made this program question is very simple. But whenever you will go for any other platform in the internet like HackerRank, CodeChip, you may not get simple question. That means question framing is very simple here. In those platforms, you will get the question in paragraph mode. They have been written the question by taking some example of a real time scenario, example of any person, example of any situations. Based on that situations, and they have given the task. No doubt the task is only to find the maximum and minimum number among the three number, but the question you will find in a very descriptive manner. That means for the confusing purpose only they have framed that kind of questions. They have to check what is your patience, how much patience you have to read the question and how much you are understanding the questions. But here in abhyasa it is too easy, too easy, right? So what is my question, sir? Write a program to find the maximum and minimum. And here for some extra additional information also given in input format is what? Single line containing three space separated integer a b c. Three value, for three value, three variable a b c. Okay, then output format is what? Print max and minimum of these three numbers. So one example also given. Suppose I'm entering 10, 25. 10 is for A, 20 is for B, then 5 is for C. Then output should be max is 20 and minimum is 5. Like this, it should be displayed, right? So let me execute first in the turbo C. Then I will go for uh, abhyasa platform solution in the abhyasa platform. Now observe carefully. Sir, three numbers, so three variable is required: A, comma B, comma C, and one more. I have to find a big number. I have to find small number among the three number. That's why two more extra variable I have taken. Now I'm giving a message printf. Enter. Okay, enter three numbers or enter three numbers. You can write enter A, B, C and values. Enter three values like this. Anything as per your suitability you can write. Okay, and scanf three times percentile d, comma ampersand ampersand a, comma ampersand b, comma ampersand c. Here a capital A becomes, make it small. Next bracket close, right? Next I have to find big number when conditional operator syntax. I hope you know. If you don't know, please visit the that course, C programming course, where all these programs are available. Greater than b question mark a colon b. Okay, I have to write in the bracket, and whatever the result will come here, I have to compare with C, because big number na, so greater than, always greater than, question mark again A greater than B, question mark A colon B and colon C. Okay, similarly for small number or minimum number, we have to write same statement but less than symbol we have to use here. 1 minute, less than symbol we have to use. Okay, So I was writing this program, some phone call came, that's why. Okay, now see here. So I have written here the big value, how to find the big value. The same way, how to find the small value, only less than symbol. Wherever it is greater than symbol, make it less than symbol. Okay. And for that, I have taken a variable small equal to shift insert. Here a greater than, make it less than, and here also greater than c, make it less than, and here also greater than, we make it less than. Okay, now what I will do, I will display the result printf max percentile d comma big and slash n. I have to use here slash n here, new line will come, and again printf uh, min is a small, variable name is small percentile d comma sml small bracket close. See alt F9. Any error? No error, sir. No error. Then do control F9. What is asking? Enter three number. I'm giving 10, 20 and 5. See, max is 20 and mean is 5. Okay, now this is the program I executed in the Turbo C. Sir, same code I will write. Whatever the code I have written, same code I will write in the Abhyasa platform. But here in the Abhyasa platform, no need to write this line. This enter three numbers. Not required, because in Turbo C, user is giving input. That means I am writing the program. Whenever you are writing the program, you are only giving the input. But in Abhyasa platform, you will not allowed to give input. The input will be given by the software, Abhyasa software only. Two input, input, three input. Okay, whatever the input available in the software, the software only give the input here. Observe carefully. So here, okay, right. Look at here. Look at here. Same code I will write, but here see, input will be given by the software. User is not allowed. So integer three variables same a b c. Okay, for big and small. Okay, after writing this in the Turbo C, I was writing printf. Printf enter three number, but here not required. Don't need, no need to write the printf, because input will be not given by the user. So this statement is not required here. Directly scanf input will be given by the software and it has to be received, and for the received that input, scanf function is used. And here one more interesting is what, if I am typing here one opening bracket, automatically closing bracket also come, but in Turbo C separately opening closing bracket you have to write, and double quote, if I enter one time, then two times it will come. That means double quote start and double quote also end, it will come automatically, but this feature is not available in the Turbo C. Explicitly separately you have to type there. So here three variable means percentile d, percentile d three times. Okay, now one more big percentile d. Next, comma, ampersand a, ampersand b, and ampersand c. Okay. Now, after writing this, find the big equal to same a greater than b, question mark a colon b. Okay, inside the bracket you have to write, and whatever the result will come by comparing a and b, you have to compare with c. Then question mark a greater than b, question mark A colon B, then colon C semicolon, right? This is for the big. Same thing you have to write for the small, but less than, the greater than has to be replaced with less than here. Same procedure. Control V. I'm using the conditional operators. You can also use conditional statement also. Small equal to, here A less than, here also less than, here also less than, right? Now after this one I have to print the result. Printf, and you see the sample output should be like this only: max 20, mean 5. It exactly this output should be printed, not other than that. Okay, otherwise the your executions will be not received, error will be shown here, right? Exactly same. How can I? Capital M A X max, after that colon symbol is there, space, percentile D. And what is the maximum? For the maximum, what is the variable name? Big is the variable name, colon, and new line slash n also used, because the minimum value in the another line, so slash n used here. And here write printf, one more statement, printf again, min, min, colon, space, percentile D. And what is the value for small? For minimum variable is the small, right? Next. Okay, okay, next here, after writing the program, here alt F9, control F9, no need to press. Here we'll go down. If we'll go down, here run and submit is there. You have to click on that. You have to click on that. Now it is test case checked. Let us see what is showing. Some error is showing. Where is the error? Here semicolon I forgot actually, that's why error showing. Semicolon give. Once again go run and submit. Okay, now see passed. Exactly this input, test case 1 input given by the software: A is 10, B is 20, and C is 5. And output expecting by the software is 20, and your output also same, exactly same, that's why accepted. If you go below, test case 2 will be there. If you click on the test case 2, see one more input given by the software: 4 and 5 and 2. 4 is for A, 5 is for B, and 2 is for C. Maximum is 5, minimum is the same, exactly output also you are also getting. That's why it is accepted. So successfully you executed this program. So like this you have to do. Okay, now after this one I'll go for the second one. Second one is what? Simple and compound interest, right? You click on that, attempt question. Attempt question already solved. Already solved. Here, delete. So here question first you observe. In the other platform, this question is not so simple. It will given in the paragraphic mode, some bank related example, some person is taking rent, some loan amount, like this, some story has been written there. But here it is simple, direct problem statement is given. Write a program to for the simple and compound interest, and you have to put this formula only. You have to write this formulas, right? And here input is what? Four space separated values. Four space separated values, that means four input. One is principal amount, rate of interest, time in year, and number of times the interest compounded for year. So compound interest may be quarterly, it will be added to your principal, maybe yearly it will be added to your principal, maybe in half yearly it will be added to your principal. So that's why the capital N is here. So P, R, T, and 4 input you have to give. So you may change the variable name, not a problem. If they have taken P, capital R, capital T, capital. So 4 variable, and I'm taking the variable here float. Suppose again float, action float. Suppose P is the per principal, comma, all are I'm taking rate of interest, suppose R, and time period, suppose T, and N, one more N is taken for number of time the interest rate will be compounded with the principal, right? Now here I no need to write the here printf enter P Q R value, no need to write P R R T N value, no need to write, because input will be given by the software, so automatically it will be give. In the turbo C we need to write this one for the user understanding, but here directly you have to write scanf function, percentile A, percentile A, percentile A, percentile A, 4 percentile A, 4 values, comma, ampersand P, comma, ampersand R, comma, ampersand T, comma, ampersand En. Okay, PRTN. After that one, first a simple interest. Okay, simple interest also take the variable SI for simple interest, comma SI, comma CI, and one more you take. Okay, no, this much enough, not a problem. CI. Now right here, SI equal to, you know the formula for the simple interest, PTR by 100, P into T into R divided by 100, right? Divided by 100. So this formula will give the SI value simple, and CI is, and you know, no need to about the formula. Formula is also written here. This is the formula here. PRT by 100 or PTR by 100, and CI you have to find. CI is formula is, you have to write equal to P. 1 minute. Equal to P whole into and here power, for the power I have to use the one function name is POW, and for that math.h header file is there. Math.h header file you have to write here. Okay, no? So formula saying P into bracket start 1 plus POW first, right? POW power of 1 plus R by 100, then R by 100, then R by 100, 1 minute, POW power 100, comma T time. Okay, comma T. You are also right, you can write also T into N also here, and here also into N also here. Means how many times compounded. Here in the question it is clearly mentioned, it is compounded only one time yearly. Where it is written I will show you here. Number of times interest it is compounded per years, right? And here per years only one time it is compounded. Okay, better to write n also, not a problem. So here n means one more bracket you give here, and here also one more bracket give here. Okay, and t into n. So POW I'll write first because you'll confuse, right? So how I'm writing this one function? So I'm writing here pow function, and pow function is always take two argument. This pow function is what? Two argument here, 1 plus R by 100. Formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. If it is compounded to n times in a year, then formula becomes P into 1 plus R by 100 into n for n times. So one time, two times, T into n. Like this, it will become the formula. So how can I write in the C programming this one? So it is a power of this one. So power function will take two argument, power, base, and power. Here base is this one and power is this one. So it will take 1 plus R by R 100 into n. Okay, into n, comma power is T into n. Okay, power function will take these two things. This is called base and this is the power. So and before that P whole into. So P into this one, P into. So like this you have to write in the program. So see here, same thing also I have written here. So power taken, this is one argument, this one, right? 1 plus R by 100 and Tn pow minus p. Okay, minus p. Okay, let us see if I execute the program. Then you have to print the value. You have to print the value, which format, exact same format you have to follow. You have to write simple interest, compound interest, like this you have to write. So printf simple interest interest is percentile f. Okay, percentile f. So after decimal point, 4 digit now. So percentile 0.4f, right? Better 0.4f, and here double quote should be start, and here double quote should be end, comma si. Okay, and slash n. Have to use here slash n, then semicolon, one more time printf compound is interest, compound compound interest is same right here, colon percentile 0.4f 4f comma ci. But this program will not give proper answer, correct answer. Why? Because this pow function return type is double, not float type, but I have taken here float type. Okay, simple interest, for the simple interest not a problem, but compound interest it will be a problem. Let me show you first, then I will change the program. Little bit changes I have to do. Now this much run, checking the test case here. Now it is test checked. Now see, simple interest but wrong output, test case not passed, whatever input given by the software it is not executed. Simple interest this one, here also simple interest this one, correct only, right? Compound interest is 102499, your answer, but answer expecting here 5500 1025000. And if you go a little bit down here, difference, where is the difference? Actually needed a 4999, but you got sorry, actually needed 5000, but you got 4999. Simple interest not a problem, matching, but compound interest it is little bit 0.1, it is deviating. Why? Because of this data type I have taken float type. Why float type it is not allowed here? Because pow function always return a double value, result is double type. Pow function always return double type. So for that you have to write the either typecasting here, or you can make this float type to double type. Float data type you have to delete, double data type you have to write here. Better to go for directly declare it double, double, double or long float also you can write. And for the double, format specifier is lf, not percentile f. Percentile lf, and percentile lf. Okay, and here also 0.4 lf and 0.4 lf. Only this much changes I have done, nothing changes. Because of data type issue here, the answer is not coming. Now observe, once again I will execute, run and submit I will do. Now this time I hope it will be passed. Or not passed, wrong answer again. Why? Because see, where is the mistake? Mistake is here. See, here some gap is there, here also some gap is there in expected output, but you have not given any gap here, that's why it is showing. And here also see, it is highlighted here some problem, here some problem, right? Then whatever simple in the printf function only little bit changes you have to do. Here write one space give, here also one space give, one more time you compile. So like this error mistake, your program is correct, but some writing error is there, typing error is there. You have to take care of those typing error in this platform also, in the hacker rank, code lit codes, all this platform also. And whenever you go for the interview also, those writing that means criteria, you have to understand how it is expecting and what is your output you are getting. That should be matched, otherwise error will come even if your program is correct only. Right now this is accepted. Test case 1. Now if we go down, test case 2 also there. Observe, test case 2, input 5010 and this is the output. And test case 1 is also some input is there, 1521. This is the output. I hope this two program is clear to all of you. Practice at least 1 to 2 times. Important is here how we are using the platform. Program logic, everything is same, but writing criteria, writing procedure is different. That thing you need to concentrate. So in the next video I will solve few more program on the Abhyasa platform. So till then, take care and bye.